All right, don't get it twisted, folks. It's not a conference. LearnFest is a fun and non-traditional experience for professionals to further develop themselves. And with me this morning is CEO of Project Management Global Institute, Sharon Loban, and she's going to make it all clear for us right now. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you.
I asked you, Sharon, why the name LearnFest? Because when I heard LearnFest, it sounded like it was going to be about schools and subjects and things like that. So tell me, why LearnFest?
Well, LearnFest, we wanted to have a conference with a difference, an experience, a learning experience with a difference, hence the fest.
Okay.
So we took the Jamaicans' love of festival and merged it with learning.
And
And
so what are we going to learn?
You're going to learn about project management predominantly, innovation, digitization, and agile. For those who know project management, we know that agile is the new way to go.
Tell me what's agile, because I've had someone here who's agile manager, and people are like, what's an agile manager? So tell me what's agile.
What's agile? So agile is a quicker way, in simple terms, it's a quicker way of doing things.
Okay.
So you can become an agile organization, meaning that a nimble organization, as well as you can do agile project management.
Okay.
So we'll be doing both agile project management, getting products to market quicker using less processes, and easier launching of your products. So the processes are a little bit different. It will take me all morning to explain it here.
No, man, they must come to the conference if they want to know.
The processes
but I
are
just want to give
different.
them an idea.
And the digitization is very critical, and cybersecurity as well, because everybody is going digital, and therefore we must know how to be secured on the internet.
Who is it for? If I'm watching and I have a business, what types of businesses would this be specifically for, or for all businesses?
It's for all businesses, because all businesses are employing project management now. All businesses can use project management. And so the traditional banks, utility companies, they know project management, but entrepreneurs should really come out because we need more efficient businesses. I must say, though, that the opening address will be done by the Minister of Finance, the Honorable Audley Shaw, and he will be speaking about how the importance of human capital to develop to Jamaica's fiscal space.
It's everything.
It's
Human
everything.
capital is everything.
It's everything.
I like to tease and say Jamaica, we're very good at writing plans and theses and saying this is what's wrong and this is what we should do, but we don't get the implementation so right.
Absolutely,
So
I agree.
project management is critical in all areas.
It takes you from initiating to planning. We spend a lot of time planning, but executing is important.
Does it also cover monitoring and evaluating the project?
Monitoring and evaluating and controlling. In project management terms, we call it monitoring and controlling, but it's the same thing. I can see you know your project management. Excellent, right? So we plan it, we execute it, and we ensure that it's done properly, and then we close it out, because it's important to close it out as well.
So if I'm a large organization, who are some of the people from my business that should come? Should I send my HR people? Should I send my middle managers? Who should I send to learn?
Correct. HR, middle managers, your project managers, IT professionals, your strategists, right? We have leaders in digitization, so we want the strategists to come out, the planners, the operations managers, CEOs can come out as well to see what's going on. So leaders and managers, mid-managers, and persons who are aspiring to become leaders as well.
What format will it take? The minister is going to deliver his address. But are there going to be interactive sessions? What will happen when I come to LearnFest?
So when you come to LearnFest, be prepared for breakout sessions. You're going to have panel discussions. You're going to have something that we call the birds of a feather luncheon discussion. And so it's a conference setting, but done in a little different way. So in the morning, we'll start out with some speakers. We have quite a few international speakers coming down, and they will be doing what we call master sessions. And we have breakout sessions that we call bite-sized sessions. And then we have our panel discussion, and we'll have the table discussion. So the table discussion, when you register, you select a topic of interest, and that's a discussion around your table. And it will be led by an expert as well.
I'm seeing over 20 speakers.
Yes.
All right.
In one day.
Wow.
In
Who
one
are
day.
some of the people
So
that
some
are
of the
coming?
speakers that we have Neil Perkin. He is an award-winning strategist from the UK. He'll be talking about leading digitizing your organization, becoming agile. We'll have Jeffrey Nielsen, who is a project management specialist, agile specialist. We'll have Mr. Courtney Campbell of VM. He'll be speaking about transformational leadership. Matthew Alderman will be speaking about cybersecurity. Our very own Dr. Ensambich Jaja will be there. We have Dr. Mark Panton will be there. We have Dr. Claire Nelson will be there as well, and many others. As I said, over 20.
Yes.
And we have many others. We have representatives from NCB will be there as well. And we have quite a few specialists who will be joining and leading our tabletop discussion.
Yeah, risk management is also very, very
risk
important.
Risk management is critical, so we will have a session on risk management. We call it Risk Magic.
All right, so it's going to be next Wednesday at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. It begins at 7 a.m. So I'm guessing that it includes breakfast and lunch?
It includes breakfast,
right.
It includes lunch, and guess what? We have a free mingle at the end, and we have a surprise appearance by Oje Jaja Ashebre, who will be teaching you a few things. So at the end, you get to relax and have fun with us as well.
If I want to come, how do I book tickets or book a space for my team?
You book your tickets on learnfestcaribbean.com. That's learnfestcaribbean.com. And you could use the code NCBLFC, and you'll get a 50% discount on your ticket.
What?
So it's NCBLFC, and that gives you a 50% discount on your ticket.
Do you have group rates?
Yes, we do have group rates as well. So please call us on 908-0290. That's 908-0290, and we will tell you all about our discounts.
Yeah.
Seats are filling up, so please come out.
I suspect it would. At the end of the course, because you know bosses in there, they send a team, they want to see something. Do they get some kind of certification or something that says, okay, I participated in this project management course?
Absolutely. It's a fun learning experience, but it's serious, right?
Okay.
And so you get a certificate of attendance from the Project Management Global Institute, approved by Project Management Institute USA, and you also get 7 PDUs. PDUs is professional development units.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
So it's a learning experience, and it's formal as well.
Nice. Wonderful, Sharon. Thank you so much. I think it's going to be great.
I think so too. I know so.
CEO of Project Management Global Institute, Sharon Loban. Up next, the rains and the roads. Oh man, we need like a dozen project managers per parish to get over this. We'll talk about that after the break.